Hi, my name is Victoria and this is Veggie-Mex. On this channel we'll be making traditional Mexican dishes with a vegetarian twist. Today we'll be making potato flautas. Typically they're done with shredded beef or chicken, but these are just as yummy. Let's get started. You will need corn tortillas, potatoes, cabbage, or lettuce. Today we'll be using cabbage, sour cream, queso fresco, and don't forget the toothpicks. Start off by washing your potatoes and placing them in boiling water. You're going to cook them until they're fork tender. While the potatoes are cooking, you're going to finely chop your cabbage and shred your cheese. Once the potatoes are done, you will peel the skin. Add about a tablespoon of butter. Then mash potatoes until smooth. Next, you will need to heat up your tortillas, not enough to cook them thoroughly, but enough to make them malleable. Now it's time to stuff and roll. You only need about a spoonful of mashed potatoes for each tortilla. Put the filling on one end of the tortilla and roll so the filling is on the inside. Again, make sure you don't overstuff them. You don't want your oil to splatter everywhere. Stick a toothpick in so it doesn't unravel while cooking. In a heated pan with oil, gently place your flautas. Make sure to flip when one side is done. Cook both sides until they're golden and crispy. You want to hear that crunch while eating. Line a plate with paper towels and place the flautas once they're done to catch some of the oil. Grab a plate and place your drained flautas. Top with however much you want of cabbage, queso fresco, and sour cream. Additionally, you can add avocado slices, homemade salsa, and pickled carrots. And these are your potato flautas. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Mexican vegetarian recipes.